Hello friend, welcome again. So in today class we will see the how to write our first program in Keel, and that program we are writing in assembly language. So if still you people not convinced like why we have to learn assembly language, so I'll give you one punch here. The pinch is see the if you learning the assembly language, that will going to help you lot in the future. And this assembly language is a very closer to the hardware. If you want to understand like how microcontroller work, how the embedded system work, you are having only method. If you really want to see the real method is you have to go through the assembly language. Why? Because it is more and more, this is the closest thing with the hardware, the closest thing with the hardware. And friend, believe me, in future of your experience when you are working in an organization, and whenever you will face any challenge or any problem, nobody can help you. No Google, no YouTube, no, none of your friend will help you. In that case, only your knowledge to assembly level language only will help you at the root level, because some problems are very typical and they need to solve at the very grassroots level. It may take 1 month or 2 months to solve that type of problem. So hope you convince. I will be still pitching. We are having some program which we are doing in a assembly level language, and then little later we will subsequently will move to C language. So don't jump it. Don't try to skip assembly programming. Learn it. Okay. Don't be skip. So till now you had till now do you install the Keel software. You can see our previous video how to install Keel, and this is the same project we are using for how to make first program in assembly, as well as this is our first assembly program, that is the addition of two number. Okay, so let's start. You have to go in a project, new microvision project, and you can store where you want to store. You can give the location. Consider I am storing in a D drive, and I can make one folder, and I'll say Keel program. Inside that I am making the program that is like addition. You can give any name you want and just say save. Once you said it, we have to select our controller. Friend, don't be obsessed with I want this controller, that controller. Once you know how to drive a bike, you will able to drive any bike. Once you know how to drive a car, you will able to drive almost every car. Slightly changes will come, but that you will easily able to accommodate. Don't worry for them. So our microcontroller here is we'll choose 89S52. Little later you will able to do this thing with any microcontroller. Just follow us with this microcontroller. So it will ask for a startup file. We don't want any startup file. See, your project is created here, but it does not have any file. We will create it. So we'll say right click. So here we have to say the select it, and then right click, and then add new item to the source group 1. So you can select, we have to select SM file, SM, because we are writing in assembly file, and then you can give the name. So I'll give add. So this is my file is created. Now this is our first program. How to write first program? See here. So you can say like org0. Why we are writing this? In a short while I am explaining you. So you can say move a comma, let me zoom it here, a comma hash 005h. Then you can say, you can copy this to some other register. You can say R1 comma A, and then you can say move, and then you can load another value into accumulator, that is like move hash 003h, and then you can say now you are having two value with you. You can do the add a comma R1, and then you can say your final result will be in accumulator. Move the answer into some other register, move a comma r2, that's all, your program is complete. You can say end, that's all, done. You can save, and then this is the button to compile. You can press it, and if any error, it will show it here. So we are not having any error currently, zero error, zero warning. So our first program in assembly is done, and it's assembled also, and our program is ready. You say it's saying assembling. So assembling is done, our program is ready. Now we can go into debug mode. So let's go into debug mode and understand how it works. This is the demo version of Keil we are using. So say okay. Now you see here. So in our previous video, I told you how microcontroller work, and this is the real example of like how microcontroller work. You can try to understand it here. Now see here, carefully pay attention. This is the program counter. On power up, its value is 0, 0. And this our entire program is converted into the, you can see here, this is de-assembly window. De-assembly window in the sense, like say this line, this is our program is converted 7405, then F9, then 7403, then 29, and then FA. That is only our program. So if you remember earlier I had showed. So when we are having the permanent memory, so in the permanent memory it will be something like that is written 7405 F9, then 7403 29 FA. Inside the memory of microcontroller, it's something like that is written. That's all our program, whatever we are writing here and understanding, all this thing is not available inside the microcontroller. Even when you are writing program in C or in any other language, all program need to convert like this only. Then only microcontroller, microprocessor, your laptop, computer, mobile, then only they can understand. Okay. So now what happen is, at the power up, when controller is getting power up, it asks to program counter what to do. Program counter says go to 0, 0. So when it go to 0, 0 memory location, it find instruction 7405. You can see here also. You can see here, this is also 7405 instruction. Okay, so this is 7405 instruction. As soon as this 75 instruction, see now I am executing this on one line. You see, this button you can use for the clicking one time to go one step. So I'll click one time. Now see what happened. Now see, first of all, this 05 is moved into accumulator, and my program counter is automatically moved to 02. Why? Because this is 2 byte instruction, 1 byte, 2 byte. So 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1. 2 byte is moved. So that's why now my next instruction at 02. And once I finish this line, I will ask to microcontroller asks to program counter what to do. Program counter says go to 02. So when it go to 02, it's having F9. Now what's the meaning of F9? If you want to know what's the meaning of F9, I will show you. You can use one PDF like this. You can say 8051. So you can use this PDF. This is from the microchip. This PDF you can use it. In this PDF, if you see carefully, now my instruction is F9. So if you don't know what is F9, no worries. You just search F9 in this, and you see F9 means move. F9 means move A comma R1. So whatever value of A, that will be moved to the R1. Now we'll go to Keil. and you see what is value of A? Value of A is 5, and this 5 is going to move to the R1. Okay, so I will again execute one line. You see here, see R1 become 5. It means whatever value of A, it moved to R1. Whatever value of A, it moved to R1. And now, and at the same time, my program counter becomes 0, 3. It means earlier it was moved by 2 byte, now it moved by 1 byte. And at the once microcontroller finish this instruction, it will again ask to the program counter what to do. So he will say go to 0, 3. So when he say go to 0, 3, in 0, 3 I am having instruction 7403. So if you don't know what is 74, then we can again check into PDF. We can go here again and we can say 74. See, 74 means move A comma data. So whatever data we had given, that will be moved to A. So now same thing, this when we say move A comma data is 03, so the 03 will be moved to A. And you see currently accumulator value is 05, but as soon as I go one step ahead, you see it becomes 03. Now I am giving the add instruction. So add instruction is 29. If you don't know what is this 29, you can go here, search here, and you can say 29. See, 29 means add A comma R1. So microcontroller very well know how to do 29. So what it will be doing, it will be performing the add operation, and once I do this, the 3 and 5 will be added and the result will be in A accumulator. So 5 and 3 it will be 8. So you see now its addition is done, and at the same time now what will happen, we are moving this A value to another register. Another register is R2. You can see R2 is currently 0, and after moving accumulator value there, it will become 8. So you see it become 8. Okay, I'll not execute further because like after that now we don't have any valid instruction. But you see what we had done here, we had did the addition of two number. Okay, so hope you understand. This is your first program. Make it and try to understand what I'm saying. And at the same time we are sharing some assignments also. So do the assignment also. Okay. And if any doubt, any query, you can ask. Feel free to discuss, comment it. And if you want us to improve in any way, we will be happy to listen your words. Thank you.